Welcome to another sizzling summer episode with Duey C.K. Today we're turning up the heat with our grilled pineapple skewers, a tropical treat sure to make your taste buds dance. First, let's prep our pineapples. Slice them into thick, juicy rings. Duey's tip: soak the wooden skewers in water for 30 minutes to prevent burning. Thread the pineapple rings onto the skewers and get ready to grill. But as we wait, let's dive into the history of this summer favorite. Pineapples were once a symbol of wealth and hospitality, originating from South America and making their way to Europe in the 15th century. They quickly became a coveted delicacy. Now back to our recipe. Brush each pineapple skewer with a mix of honey, lime juice, and a pinch of chili powder for that perfect balance of sweet and spicy. Grill them on medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until you see those beautiful grill marks. Did you know? The grill, or barbacoa, has roots in the Caribbean, where the indigenous Taino people first used it. Now, flip those skewers and let them char to perfection, while Peppy, our wisecracking peppermill, cracks a joke or two. Once grilled, serve these delectable skewers as they are, or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. That's it for today's tropical tale and tasty treat. Enjoy your grilled pineapple skewers and impress your friends with both your cooking skills and newfound trivia.